Hello, guys. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the live broadcast. How are you doing? Just started right now, guys. It's your boys. Make sure you follow, share, and stay inside the live room. We are going to be having fun right now. Welcome to my YouTube. Got some interesting news today coming out of Tesla. Definitely gonna love these ones, guys. It's a beast. Tesla, they are doing great. This news has shocked the industry. Even I'm shocked. But man, this is just a testament to how great Elon Musk is. Whether you like him or you don't, but we all have to agree that Elon Musk is one of the very best. Oh, come on, I look a little bit dark though. Elon Musk is one of the very best. You gotta love him, right? So yeah, Elon Musk. So that is what we're gonna be talking about today. A power packed show. Go check it out, guys. Go check it out right now, right here. So 30% Tesla's shares go up by 30%. Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? 35%. Uh, we made so much profit. So that is my title. Uh, Come inside the live broadcast right now. We've got a crazy share for you. And also, guys, make sure that you text us on WhatsApp. Also, make sure that you follow me on my YouTube. Today, I'm going to drop a special video on my YouTube. You do not want to miss out on that one. It's going to be funny. I know you guys know me to be always talking about um, this these things, okay? To be always talking about stocks, but I'm just going to drop a surprise video for you today, and I hope you're going to love it, okay? So there we go. Elon Musk and Tesla, they basking in the sun right now. You're definitely going to love this one. As you know, guys, this is what we're just going to be talking about. Let's get into this one though. So there you go, guys. We have a snapshot of our Tesla's stock chart. Um, so is this Tesla stock price surged? It went up by 30%, and that is actually the stock price. You can really like see uh, how it went like in this is a 1 day trading chart. Definitely, this is for a day, and you can see it's from 9:45 a.m. to something like 12:45 p.m. So this is like in a 3 hour span of just trading going up, and I love those figures like gains of plus 6.54%. And then at 1 p.m., usually that's at 1 p.m., closing at a whopping 246.39. And then later on, even going a lot more stronger and closing at $248.43, an increase of 0.83% from the previous closure. So well done to Tesla. Definitely, this happened on Monday Eastern time. I'm sure a lot of people who know about business or who follow Tesla have already spoken about this. So we're just kind of coming late, but also kind of just follow us, guys. You want to know more about us, please make sure that you follow our channel, give us your support. We do really want to grow this channel. So yes, Tesla stock recently surged significantly, increased by 35%. Actually, it's 35%, not even 30, 35%. 35%. The share price is primarily attributed. So what are the factors? Strong second quarter delivery. So songs, they did some deliveries that performed really well in the second quarter. Tesla reported record second quarter delivery numbers, which exceeded market expectations and highlighted robust demand. So they're still in demand. Okay, they exceeded market expectations because of their second quarter delivery numbers. Okay, and also the other reason was positive analyst reports. Okay, we got so many analysts in this game. So what were the analysts saying? Many analysts actually have raised their target price for Tesla, reflecting improved investor sentiment and confidence in the company's growth prospects. So analysts were also giving their indicators and saying, hey, you know what, Tesla is going to go in the right direction. And the third reason, can you guess the third reason? Third reason, can you get the third reason that drove this? Thank you for the like. The third reason that drove this was Elon Musk's leadership. Okay, Elon Musk's leadership is the third and final reason that made Tesla's stock price jump since Monday. So increased optimism. People are just optimism about Elon Musk's leadership and strategic decisions also boosted investor confidence. Okay, so these are some of the reasons that we have there. Thank you for your likes. Okay, so Eastern time, Tesla's stock price rose more than 6% to close at $209.86 on Tuesday local time. So there's Monday, something else happening on Monday. So this is back to back, just the stock performing well. So Monday goes up by 6%, closes at 209. Tuesday, following day, raising by another 10% to close at 231. Okay, so these are 2 days of consistent, okay, building on that first increase. And then the second day, which is Tuesday, stocks soar. They gained by something like $20 or $22, reaching a new high in nearly 3 months. Okay, so this is a new high in 3 months. Already kind of Tesla is a stock that does well, you know, but you know, stocks with anything like stocks, sometimes they might just snag, they might just go at or trade at an average price. They might not really move. They might move, but just a little, by a few dollars or a few percentage. But this is like a new high in 3 months. Total market value returned to above 730 billion. So that is their market value, 730 billion. And market value increased overnight by 6 to 8.25 billion. So Tesla is still in the billions. They are, I hope they will do good. I hope they will hit the market value of $1 trillion, like the AI companies and the tech companies. They're also into tech and into manufacturing and into AI. But they're more into automobile manufacturing. But of course, they're diversifying. They also have space, I think, and also they do also have AI. You know, they are talking about launching those AI humanoids. Okay, so Tesla's stock price opened short, okay, and high on June 13th. Experiencing a week of correction and sideways. Sideways fluctuations just means that it's just been like, it hadn't been performing well, it's been going down. That's what sideways means. It began to break through the 170-day moving average and began to rise sharply. Okay, so like, it's just saying that it was going sideways. And so there was an average that it was peaking at in for 170 days. Okay, the stock was at an average, a certain average price, a certain ceiling for 170 days, and then in these few days it just started to go above the 170-day moving average, and then just begin to rise sharply. Okay, so the growth rate has been approaching 30% in just over half of a month. So that is massive news for Tesla. They are doing well. You know, it's always a good thing if a stock begins to break through its sort of like a moving average, and for them almost rising 30% is a good sign for their business. I love their valuation, market value going up to 730 billion, and also increasing overnight by an added 68.25 billion. So that is good for Tesla. Okay, so let's just talk about the company analysis for the second quarter. Okay, we did speak on the deliveries. Okay, deliveries about the cars. I did mention it earlier. I wasn't reading from this. I had also prepared some side notes. Let me actually adjust my little image there. Okay, so we did indicate that one of what catapulted this was strong second quarter deliveries. Okay, so Tesla reported record. So they broke a record in terms of second quarter deliveries. Deliveries of what? Bread, clothes? No, deliveries of their vehicles. Okay. Uh-huh. So because of what? They did something, they corrected something, some positive developments on the model of the cars, and maybe the way they ship the cars, the way they distribute the cars. And this also led to their stock just going up. So on the news side, on July 2nd, Tesla released delivery data. So that is delivery data that you see down there, showing that the company delivered a total of 444,000 new cars in the second quarter, a year-on-year decrease of 4.8%. There has been a year-on-year decline for 2 consecutive quarters, but it is better than the market expectation of 400. So the market expectation, analysts were saying that they are going to underperform in terms of their deliveries. Analysts had said, no, you guys, Tesla, according to our analysis, we see Tesla delivering 439,300, but they went for 444,000, like a round figure. Okay, and then the total second quarter production is about 411,000 vehicles. So there you go. Production numbers, deliveries, subject to operation. Okay, Model 3Y. So they have different models. So Model 3Y production was 386, 576, and 422.405 deliveries. Okay, other models, because they got a lot of models, right? 24,255. So their biggest mover is the Model 3Y, okay, according to this. So definitely production totaled 410,831, and then deliveries totaled 443,956. Okay, so they exceeded expectation, but it's sort of like it's a decrease. Okay, so previously in other quarters they've done well, even though they've exceeded other quarters, but it's just been a slight decrease. But also, they had been written off, but they actually overachieved. So that is one of the reasons why they sit where they are right now. Let's go. Also, we got so new car deliveries quantity exceeded expectations. So quantity exceeded expectations. So we got a little snapshot there. Tesla vehicle production and deliveries and data for financial results and webcast for second quarter 2024. Remember Tesla just coming from having Elon Musk just coming from having this meeting that he has, and they also moved operations. That Tesla is now registered in the state of Texas as well. So I even think those business developments of registering the company in Texas. There's a lot of news. I did have a video that I did about Tesla when I was covering this, I think 2 weeks ago. You guys can go check it out and see for yourself what we're talking about there. And if you're new here, please scan my WhatsApp. We're talking about Tesla. If you follow Tesla, if you haven't been following Tesla, there's new news coming out of Tesla right now. You need to go check it out. So Tesla has released its delivery and production data for the second quarter 2024. Exceeding market expectations. We already read about this. Wall Street expects Tesla to deliver approximately 438 cars in the second quarter, but it actually delivered 443,953 electric cars. So that is Wall Street. That's an expectation. Expectation, reality, different. Okay. Although there have been a decrease compared to the same period last year, this number still exceeds expectations. Okay, so it's good, exceeded expectations. Tesla delivered a total of 443,956 vehicles in the second quarter, which not only exceeded the general forecast of analysts. So analysts have said they're going to deliver about 436,000, and they delivered 443,956,000. Okay, but also significantly higher than Wall Street's recent average estimate. So they did good. They shattered the expectations of the analysts. Analysts had said something else. They exceeded that, which is good for their business, which is also good for their confidence, which is also good for their stock and for their investors. This delivery performance not only exceeded expectations for the first time in the past 4 quarters, so they haven't been doing well. Sometimes people are coming, they forecast they're not gonna deliver as many cars and they underperformed. But this time around, forecasters, analysts say, okay, they will deliver under this amount of cars, and then they went above that. Okay, so they exceeded expectations for the first time in the past 4 quarters, but also exceeded expectations by the most significant amount since fourth quarter of 2021. So this is a huge jump. So this is a good data. You can see they already talked about this in the previous slide. So in the second quarter, we produced approximately 411,000 vehicles and delivered approximately 444,000 vehicles. We deployed 9.4 GWh of energy storage products in Q2, second quarter, the highest quarterly deployment yet. Okay, so they have been on a tear. Let's see what else they are saying about this. So China now in entering into China, and also yesterday I did do a video about China, about BYD. BYD is set to overtake. I actually have the video. I posted it. BYD set to overtake in this quarter, though. BYD is going to overtake Tesla as the number one leader in electric vehicle manufacturer. Okay, so there we go. I just have to. So go check it out, guys. I talked about it yesterday. It's in my shorts. It's a short video that I made. Go check it out. So let's go. So China, let's see what they're talking about. China's relationship with Tesla. Tesla opened up in China a long time ago. This is not 4 years ago. So let's see. China's new car purchase financial policy on Tesla. On July 1st, according to Tesla's official Weibo account, in July, Tesla will provide consumers with triple benefits when purchasing cars. So firstly, what is the first benefit? For the Model 3/Y standard range version, Tesla will launch a maximum 5 years zero interest and low interest discount car purchase policy with a minimum daily supply of 85 yuan. Secondly, a maximum 5 years zero interest. Okay, so there's not going to be any interest in 5 years. A low interest purchase discount policy will be launched for the Model 3Y long range all-wheel drive edition with a minimum daily supply of 107 yuan. Okay, the annual fee rate for limited time and low interest rates in July has dropped to a starting point of 0.5 equivalent. Okay, Tesla's new car purchase finance policy in China may be closely related to the market pressure it is currently facing. Like I did tell you, BYD, under the fierce price war in the Chinese car market, Tesla sales in China has also fluctuated. So because they have a lot of, China has a lot of these players now. There is also Xiaomi, the mobile phone manufacturer. They also ventured into making electric cars. There's a bunch of companies. Actually, let me Google and tell you how many companies are really threatening China has a lot of players, but BYD is the major player. Chinese top electronic vehicle car companies. Okay, so we have, is this May 2024? We have BYD. So BYD stands for Build Your Dreams. Okay, let me go for maybe an image and really see who is, there are some images there. I'm just reading for you guys. So you have BYD and we have, um, let me really open this and read the image. So, let's go. Something just happened. So we have Wuling, we have BYD, we have Li Xiang, we have Sherry, we have Kochanga. Let me just look for something more. China Car Project. So, and a lot of other international players are there as well. They're really trying to monopolize. They have a large consumer base down there in Beijing, in China. They've got a lot of uh, okay, I'm trying to just open a list to tell you guys how competitive this industry is. Sorry, just give me a moment. Um, okay. So there's BYD, okay? So BYD is the number one company. We also have SAIC, Chinese automaker as well. We also have NIO. NIO is rapidly growing. 2023, we've got Guangzhou Automobile Group, AION. I've seen these cars, AION. We've got Li Auto as well. We've got Geely. This is number 6, Huawei. You see, phone manufacturers are also jumping. Huawei helps, Chang'an Automobile, Great Wall Motor Company, Chery Automobile. So these are the biggest 10 in China right now. There's another list as well that actually makes them into 15 companies. That this one now you have, yeah. So BYD is there, followed by SIC. So Tesla is ranked at number 3. Tesla is ranked at number 3. BID number 1, SIC. So now this list includes Chinese manufacturers and international players. Geely Auto. There's just a bunch of, so foreign companies are might seize. Okay, Tesla. So this is where all this pressure is coming from. There are a lot of local players right now for, um, I think in Beijing they're trying to push their consumers to buy local. This is also a strategy how you push out international players. It's business, it's not personal. Um, that's just how business works. So let's go. On July 1st, according to Tesla, so I already read that. Public data shows that in the first quarter of 2024, Tesla's retail sales in the Chinese market were approximately 132,400 vehicles, accounting for 30.57 of Tesla's global market production. Okay, so the Chinese market alone is 30% of Tesla's global market production, but a year-on-year decrease of 3.64%, according to data from the China Association of Automobile Manufacturers. Tesla sales in China just decreased by 0.5% in the first 5 months of this year. Okay, just a slight decrease because it has a lot of competition. This is an interesting phenomenon. You got a lot of players there. China has invested heavily in this industry. Um, I think they even started like 15 years back, like, or is it 10 years back? I was talking to my friend who was actually telling me this, that one of the technology ministers assigned a professor or a scientist and gave them a really huge budget to start researching about electric vehicles. So, R&D is big. The Chinese are big on R&D, research and development. We can't fault them. They're catching up. They are a global power. It's their time. So let's go. Let's see what else. So these are some of the challenges that they are facing. A strong Chinese competitive market. They're actually at number 3. Okay. So let's see how it's going to be like. So let's go. Short positions will be eliminated. Okay, short positions will be eliminated. So we've got a little snapshot from X. Musk opened champagne halfway on social media, stating that anyone who still holds a short position will be eliminated. Even Gates is no exception. So once Tesla fully solves autonomy and has Optimus in volume, so Optimus is the humanoids, the humanoids that they said they're going to manufacture. How many? By 2025, actually, next year. So they are still in the testing phase. And it was saying, when I did the article, actually saying that one humanoid will cost 10,000. It's going to be having several versions, one that costs $10,000, one that costs $20,000. So they're still in the testing stage. It's going to be fully AI functional. And this is the product that is going to push they are projected to go to, by 2029, once they roll out these humanoids, by 2029 or 2030, Tesla will be valued a market value of 30 trillion. That is their projection, okay? So that is what he's saying here. He's having fun. Once Tesla fully solves autonomy and has Optimus in volume production, anyone still holding a short position will be obliterated, even Gates. Okay, so he's a funny guy. He's competitive. I love his spirit. The short capital of Trust is about US 21.11 billion, and it shorts 103 million shares. Tesla ranks 4th in the market for stocks that have been shorted, only behind Nvidia, Apple, and Microsoft. Since early June, Tesla's short selling behavior has increased, said IHOR managing partner of S3 predictive analysis company in an interview. 2024, this year, 13.94 million Tesla stocks were sold short, valued at 2.92 billion in the past 30 days. Okay. Welcome to the live stream. Make sure you follow. Make sure you follow us. Make sure you say, how are you guys doing? Okay. Make sure you follow. Make sure you stay. We want to hear more from you. Give me a second over here. Follow us on WhatsApp and follow this account. Okay. How are you guys doing? Okay. So what does it mean though? If a stock is sold short selling, okay, or short selling. So short selling, when a stock is sold short, an investor borrows shares of the stock and sells them on the open market, right? On the open market, intending to buy them back later at a lower price. The goal is to profit from a decline in stock price. If the price drops, the investor can buy back the shares at a lower price, return them to the lender and pocket the difference. However, if the stock price rises, the the short seller faces potentially unlimited losses since they have to buy back the shares at a higher price. Okay, that's all it means. So when asked if the short selling situation has changed since the mass compensation plan was approved, that analyst stated that the form of short selling has changed since the mass compensation plan was approved at the shareholder meeting. Okay, so remember they had a shareholder meeting uh, in June 12, June 10, last month. So since June 13th, we have seen 1.56 million short covering shares worth 327 million. Good for them. When the stock price rose by 18%, the total number of short selling stocks decreased by 1.5%. So the surge in Tesla's price on Tuesday, now we're talking about a few days ago. Tuesday, the price went up by over 10%, represents a loss in approximately 1.65 billion for short selling giants, and stated that since the beginning of this year, short sellers have only made a profit of 1.37 billion US dollars, an increase of approximately 7.6%. Until recently, short selling Tesla in 2024 has been a profitable trade. So short selling, this concept, if it's Tesla stock, it's been profitable. But however, after June, the situation changed. So far this month, short sellers have lost, wow, these short sellers have lost a lot of money, guys. 1.95 billion in market value. Ooh, a decrease. Oh my God. So investing is not games. It's not playing games, guys. So let's go. There you go as well. Tesla, Trump card, solar and energy business, storage business. So you see, they're also into solar. Um, there you go. Tesla growth in energy storage products is also worth paying attention. So they're also into energy storage products as well. So this has got a little metric. This quarter, Tesla's performance in energy storage field was impressive, deploying up to 9.4 gigawatts or gigaworts of battery storage, which is more than double the previous record of 4.1 GW in the first quarter in 2024. Actually, the company that I did yesterday is also in the same field. This significant improvement means that Tesla has the ability to provide annual electricity supply to over 10,000 American households, demonstrating its strong strength and market potential in the energy storage field. So they're also diversifying their portfolio, going into energy. Literally now, all these companies, they do everything. Solar energy is big. If you have money, why not invest in some of these billions? Why not take your money to another direction? Okay, so this is what they just do. So there's nothing to worry about there. Um, there you go. So there, solar and energy storage business. So this is a big business. Industry analysts, Tesla deployment of 4.1. So they actually upgraded that battery energy storage first quarter. Cumulative value in the first half of the year has reached 13.5 gigawatts per hour, which is very close to Tesla's deployment of 14.724 of energy storage throughout last year. So Tesla Energy stated that impressive results. So we've got Tesla are manufacturing cars, Tesla Energy, they're gonna be also unveiling those humanoids, the Optimus Prime. They also, remember, they have a space program. So Tesla Energy stated that impressive results achieved in the second quarter of this year were mainly due to the continuous expansion of megapack production at the last slot. Super Energy. Tesla energy storage seems, so this is just about energy, okay? They are into energy as well. So this is definitely what's also pushing their business, going into energy and actually improving their product, being able to supply energy to 10,000 households in the United States. And continually, they're also going to go supplying more and more. Best believe they're going to start even talking to the government or supplying to the government. The overall annual production capacity of Raslop Super Factory is 40 GWH based on the energy storage deployment results in the second quarter. Raslop Super Factory is approaching its operating limit. This does not mean that this is Tesla's overall energy storage ceiling, as Shanghai's energy storage super factory is still under construction. Okay, so Tesla are constructing an energy plant in Shanghai. So let's see when that one comes out, what will happen. Okay, so got a little graphic there for you. If you love graphs, let me hear you right now. So there we go. First quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and fourth quarter. Okay, since 2019 to 2023, you see how see their performance in the first and second quarters of 2023, like just how much they've done, the amount of progress they've actually had in the last 5 years. From a financial perspective, this leap in Tesla's energy storage business is expected to bring at least $2 billion in additional sales, $400 million in gross profit growth to the company. It's remarkable improvement compared to Wall Street current expectations for Tesla second quarter revenue of $24 billion and gross profits. So, Wall Street is always predicting stuff. This growth not only helped Tesla achieve more sustainable profits in the second quarter, but also laid a solid foundation for its future financial performance. So you can actually see that the second quarter down there, first quarter and second quarter, both of them did well. More importantly, Tesla continuous investment and significant achievements in energy storage business indicate that this field will become an important growth point for the company's future development. So they are into energy now. So that is some of the data. You can really see they've been doing well year by year. We are actually still to get into the third quarter and the fourth quarter. So these are just readings from the so far. So 2023's first quarter and 2023's second quarter kind of trumps what happened all these last 5 years. That's crazy. That is crazy. Okay. AI, of course, Tesla, they are into AI. 2024 World Artificial Intelligence Conference will be held in Shanghai, China on July 4th to July 6th. Today is July 5th. So it's currently underway. I didn't even know. Oh my God. Let me see. 2024 AI Summit Shanghai. 2024 AI Conference on Global Governance opens in Shanghai. Okay. So the 2024 World Artificial Intelligence Conference will be held from July 4th to July 7th at the Shanghai World Expo Center. It is an event with a significant influence in the field of artificial intelligence, with an exhibition area of what? 5.6 million square feet. The conference will cover key areas such as large-scale models, computing power, robotics technology, and autonomous driving. So I actually found some content for later on. I thought I was following news. Shanghai sees move of ANY benefit all. This is good. I will check this out later. Tesla plans to showcase its all-electric pickup truck, Cybertruck. Showcase it there, and second generation humanoid robot Optimus Gen 2 at 2024 World Artificial Conference in Shanghai later this week. So they're gonna, this humanoid, this Optimus thing that I did talk about, they want to, like, it's an exhibition, so a lot of people gonna be coming in there, a lot of investors, maybe Chinese investors as well, and other people get to see the product, get it tested. There are people talk about it, how um, where they are in terms of finishing it up. We did talk about issues to do with some issues that they are dealing with right now. Tesla showcased Cybertruck and Optimus Gen 2 at the World Artificial Intelligence Conference, showcasing not only the company's latest achievements, so these are AI powered, these humanoids are AI powered, and these are the ones that are going to push Tesla over that 30 trillion market valuation. So okay, so there you go. Let's go into our uh, analysis. Some try to say analysis or analysis. That is what others say, but it's analysis, right? It's our analysis. So what are they saying? So on the weekly chart, give me a second. So this is the weekly chart that we are talking about. Okay. So on the weekly chart, the stock price has broken through the 34-day moving average of the weekly chart. Okay, so in simple terms, this just means the stock price, right? The stock price has recently gone over an average, okay, like an average price, an average trend. So the stock price is what has gone over that. So an average is kind of like, it will be just like a line like that, and then the stock price crosses it. So over the past what? Over the past 34 weeks, okay? 34 weeks, okay? 34 days, not 34 weeks. It's average price over the past 34 weeks, okay? It is expected that the stock price will continue to rise above the supporter line or consolidate horizontally and will continue to rise in the future. So the stock price is likely to keep going up. This is what this means. It's likely to keep going up and stay steady for a prolonged or a brief time, for a while. Okay, so it just means number one, stock price goes over the 34-day average. Okay, stock price will continue to rise above the support line, stay steady over there for a brief while. Okay, and might go up in the future. Okay, so patience is required for holding this stock. Okay, so this is positive news. So the second point is it will continuously go up. So patience to hold the stock is you hold the stock in anticipation that it further goes up. The stock further goes up and fetches at a more higher price. And then if you want to sell it, you can sell it. Okay. If you are a seller, okay, because you want the best price, okay, you want to buy at the best price, so hold the stock, okay. Mhm. So let's go. What is the second one saying? So that's that about these bozos. So you can also see previously, you can actually see like, there we go. Wow, it just kind of like skyrocketed, people. Oh my God, this is crazy. Okay, let's go now. Supporting the price formed by the 170 days moving average peak. Okay, so this is still a daily chart. Let me reduce my. Okay, so on daily chart, the stock price has already broken out the pressure level formed by the 170 days moving average peak. Okay, so the stock price has already gone over that um, that line there, the 170-day moving average. So looking at the support situation now, the price is around $242. Looking at the support situation later on. So support situation, our price is at 242. You can check out that red line going across. And how about later? So under normal circumstances, the price will fall and consolidate, and 34 days moving average will slowly cross the 170-day moving average. Make sure you follow, make sure you stay, make sure you tell us where you are watching from. Make sure you like the live. Make sure you scan the QR code, join our WhatsApp. Make sure you check my other videos. Okay, make sure you subscribe, see all the videos, share with your friends. This is just more, we are having fun here, not only fun, we're also just talking about business in a sense. So there's really nothing to worry about. So let's go have it. Okay, let's go get it right now, right here. Okay, also follow, also share. Also, let's move on to the next page. Okay, what else do we have for Tesla? Okay, uh, so all these guys are now analysts. You know, Wedbush. These are big institutions, analysts. They monitor these stocks. So what is Wedbush saying? Okay, Wedbush reiterated its positive rating on Tesla stocks and maintains a target price of. So Wedbush is saying prices might go at 275. So their market analysis are confident that difficult times for Elon Musk and Tesla have become a thing of the past. The company stated Tesla and Musk performance has shown significant recovery, okay, especially as market analysts predict shortages this quarter due to inconsistent global demand of electric cars. So that second um, quarter deliveries is also one of the reasons that gives people like Wedbush that positive rating for these stocks. Wedbush pointed out that the slight increase in sales and stable prices in the Chinese market, ding dong, this quarter have helped Tesla overcome challenges and achieve a significant increase in car delivery during the quarter. Okay. So also, Wedbush added, we believe that the narrative around the demand for electric vehicles is beginning to give Tesla new impetus, a company famous for its disruptive technology, especially with the arrival of Robotaxi Day on August 8th. Yeah, we did speak on the Robotaxi. Go check it out, okay? We got the positive performance. Okay, let's move on to the next. Morgan Stanley. I'm sure they're going to give Tesla an optimistic rating. How much are they saying the price will go to? Let's go and see. Morgan Stanley is optimistic about. Okay, so Morgan Stanley are more focused on Tesla, energy side of Tesla, not the car. Okay, the previous analysts are more focused on the car side. On June 25th, Morgan Stanley issued a report uh, stating that Tesla holds a key trump card. A positive report, and will become a key winner of the next round of AI investment. So Tesla might challenge the AI industry. This bottom card is not Tesla's AI or robotics business per se, but it's solar and energy storage business. So they're doing well in solar and energy. Adam Jonas from Morgan Stanley is firmly optimistic about Tesla. So energy, if you're watching, if you are, you have to start watching Tesla's energy moves, what they're doing at the energy sector, that side of their business. Because if you have Morgan Stanley, I mean, these are respectable people. Come on, what are you talking about? Storage business, I believe that the power demand brought up by the AI boom will make Tesla a key player in the US energy market. So in the future, Tesla might be a big player in the US energy market. Jonas stated that AI data centers are currently being built across the United States, and these data centers will transform into power consuming behemoths, bringing huge loads to the US power grid. Recently released an analysis report showing that by 2030, the electricity consumption in US data centers may be equivalent to the electricity consumption of 150 million electric vehicles. So these data centers, these AI data centers, they need a lot of power, because AI uses a lot of power. Okay, In other words, because this is like data from all over, okay, being stored in these chips. So, in other words, from 2023 to 2027, the expected growth in US data center electricity is equivalent to an increase in 59 million electric vehicles on US roads. Okay. So Jonas predicts that Tesla's energy revenue in fiscal year 2024 will exceed 7 billion, benefiting the rapid development of the energy storage market. By 2025, the profit margin may surpass Tesla's automotive business. Okay. So this energy side, by 2025, profits from the energy side might surpass profits from the car manufacturing side. The growth rate of Tesla's energy storage business will surpass that of its solar energy business in the future, and it will make a significant contribution to Tesla's overall profitability by 2030, giving Tesla Energy a valuation of approximately 130 billion. So Tesla are really looking at 2030 or 2029, where they will I woke up early today, where they will go for that valuation, okay, that 30 trillion. Our CITI group stated in a report released on Tuesday, we continue to see room for improvement in Tesla's stock price and broader sentiments. So far, so good. They have a lot of people that are rating their stocks, their businesses, they're monitoring their businesses, how they're moving. And all this good news actually is good for investors like you and me. It's also good for the market and the industry. So we continue to see room for improvement in Tesla's stock price and broader sentiments in the electric vehicle market compared to the negative sentiments of the past 6 months or so. Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives stated in the report that the company's delivery volume marks a significant turning point in Tesla's bullish story. It's bull, boy. Eves further pointed out that the key to Tesla's stock lies in the market recognition that Tesla is one of the most undervalued artificial intelligence targets in the current market. Also added that Musk's magic has returned and raised Tesla's target stock price from $275 to $300. This is the target price. With the target price of, also the stock might even go to $400 in 2025. So watch this space if you are into Tesla stuff. Definitely you need to watch that as well. Okay. So there you go. So this is what we know. The price went up by 30% on Tuesday. Went up on Monday by 6%. Then on Tuesday went up by another percentage. So it's really been doing well. Tesla has released its delivery and production data for the second quarter of 2024. So they exceeded market expectations. Wall Street had said Tesla are going to deliver such and such cars. Tesla ended up delivering more than that. Tesla's trump card, okay, their joker, energy storage business. This quarter, Tesla's performance in the energy storage field was particularly impressive, deploying up to 9.4 gigahertz watts of battery storage, which is more than double the previous record of 4.1 in the first quarter of 2024. That is so good. Short selling Tesla will be eliminated, and Tesla's stock price has upward expectations. And yeah, so they do not want to do this whole short selling stuff. It's kind of killing them and killing their investors as well. So those are some of the companies that we've been talking about. This previous data, Tesla, Doyu Holdings, Rivian Automotive, Reddit. I actually had this graphic the previous day, I think. I also had a similar one, these four companies. So Tesla will rise by 35%, Doyu, will rise by 76%, Rivian by 10%, Reddit by 30%, okay? Okay, so there you go. And we have your suggested buying price, okay? So buy at 178, buy at 10, okay, buy at 13 or $14 or above the 34-day moving average. You should buy around $58. That is the suggested buying price, and you have buy on that date. We also have those dates as well. Okay, so this is just like a few tips if you're into buying stocks or you like these stocks or any other stock that maybe you feel like you like or you like to buy, but then you're not so sure. That's why we say follow us and the likes. Okay. Also, this is also Tesla. So this is just like a recommendation. Okay, so June 20th, we've already passed that. So this is just like a history, and let's see how it's going. Okay, someone else got 2 likes right now. How you guys doing? Make sure you follow. Make sure you also see the other videos. Go check out my Tesla video that I did. I did it a long time ago. Let me see. Where's the Tesla video? Tesla. Let me see. Oh yeah. There is a Tesla video that I did though. Yeah, I did it on like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, go check it out and help me with some views on that video. Yeah, get me with some views on that video, guys. I'm actually shocked no one has yet to watch it. What are you guys doing? What are you doing on YouTube? Show your support. Yeah, 20th of June. So there we go. Recommended date. And it is a buy. Okay, I'll just read this. So June 20th, this was a recommendation because we're no longer at June 20th, but this was the previous recommendation on June 20th because we spoke about Tesla stocks 2 weeks ago. That's why we did the video. Okay, so we're taking you back in history about what we spoke about on that day. As Tesla, and after consolidation, it continues to rise with a profit of over 35%. This is now to the current price. Okay. Fans who watched my live broadcast, obviously, guys, you watched some of them, some of you don't. Yeah, but people who watched already made a profit of over 35%. In the short term, they can choose to sell at a profit. In the long term, they can wait for the stock price to fall and continue to buy. So we talked about this like some 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, guys, is in July, right? It's in June. That is 2 weeks ago. This is when we had our Tesla. Let me check actually. When I did this video exactly, okay, it was like, yeah, exactly. It's written 2 weeks ago, okay? The live stream actually, let me see. There's a live and a video, okay? The live stream, 28 views actually, 28 views, 28 um, views already. The video is titled, Where is Tesla's Future Headed? We talked about this 2 weeks ago, so go check it out. Yeah, so some people responded. So in June 20th, prices were above the platform and the moving average. Buy and then wait for the stock price to rise and make a profit. Okay, so everybody who bought that time around June 20th, obviously, if they decided to sell now, they probably made a profit. You can see there, guys, at 182. That was the buy recommendation on that date at that time. So you would have made an excess of like $50, right? Or $60 more per stock. And it's actually, the stock will continue, according to analysts, the stock will continue to go up. So that is why you see the people who bought the stock, analysts are encouraging them to hold the stock. So I don't know if you find someone who wants to sell you because the stock is performing well. You did see, they said the stock might go going into 2025. One of the analysts did indicate that the stock might even go to the $400. Okay. Another analyst mentioned the stock will hit a max of 270 to between 270 to 300, based on the current performance. So it's still rising and it's been given a target price that it will hit. After that, we do not know what will happen. So this is Doyu. Did I talk about Doyu as well? Let me see. I did. I actually have to see where Doyu is. Yeah. I talked about 3 weeks ago. Doyu is a Chinese, it's a Chinese player as well. We did speak about Doyu as well, like 2 weeks, same time, back to back with this, with um, Tesla. I did this, like Tesla, okay? So this is the currently on. So Doyu recommended on June 13th, and after more than half a month, the increase has reached over 76%. Okay, so only 15 days, and the stock price going up by 76%. So you can go watch the live broadcast. Is there? They are big into gaming. They also want to, because I did this like 2 weeks ago. I do these videos every day. But yes, they're big into gaming, and we're talking about that. They released a game, and this game is number one on Apple Store, like crazy downloads and so much money, you know. For yeah, this is what I remember talking about them. When the market is discussing AI stocks, the stocks of this Chinese game live streaming platform has higher returns than AI stock during the same period. Okay, so it outperformed AI stocks. Uh, so yeah, people already bought this stock. They made like a lot of money last time, because this is now 2 weeks on. It was at its peak. It was being pushed by this game. And I believe even today, this game is still number one on downloads. It leads downloads of any other game on iOS. I'm not sure on Google how it's going. Maybe only available on iOS, because Chinese people love iPhones, so they're not into they're not into this whole, thank you for the likes and the love. They're not into this whole Android. Yeah, I remember someone asking me saying, why don't you have an iPhone? Like, come on, man, is that a question? So those also like Reddit. So the same is true for all of these companies that we talked about in the previous live broadcasts. um, they've been rising, these stocks. This is from June. You can already see, we gave recommendations of when to buy, at the time on which you should buy, and people have earned their profits. Okay, so this is also a good opportunity for you guys to follow us and just monitor these stocks when we speak about them. If you do not have any knowledge about them, just go find out these stocks and monitor them, okay? Because there's been a crazy jump, okay? Um, 30 stocks up 30% within a week. That is crazy, okay? So that is all we had for you. So keep on monitoring this Apple stock. Lots of investors and analysts are really saying positive things about the stock. So watch this stock improve and go up. Okay, watch the stock kind of improve and also kind of go up as well. So watch this space. Do not worry about what's going on. It's been predicted by analysts that this stock will continue to what? To go up, okay? So it's likely to keep going up um, or stay steady. It may go up or remain steady, but staying steady for a while and then go up because of various other factors. So hence analysts say hold the stock, okay? And other analysts projected it can go to 270. The price might go to 270. Others, they say $300 a stock. Others have said are so positive on this stock that even in 2025, it may reach $400 per stock. So try to monitor it as well. We'll see you guys. This was so text us, send us WhatsApp or scan or follow this. Also check out the channel, see other video. I did tell you guys that today I'm dropping another video. I will drop some videos here. Usually we are talking about some of these companies, what's going on. I'm gonna drop a video about this AI summit. Okay, that's currently underway in Shanghai. You're gonna love it actually. You're gonna really love. You can I just go see the pictures right here. AI is taking over the world, so definitely, if you're somebody who's looking for AI, this is a good time to be jumping into AI as an investor, as a student, as someone who's looking for a new career. Jump into AI. I'm telling you, you will not go wrong. Okay, so we're gonna see you soon. Scan. Adios, amigos. Bye bye.